All right, ask me a good question, Chad, that you think would be a good YouTube video.
Don't ask him a good
Because I
question.
need one more.
Don't listen to him.
All right, what would be a good question that you want us to answer?
Give him nothing.
Give me something, please.
Ask dumb questions. Ask food questions.
Gaming laptop versus gaming PC. Okay, that's not bad. I like that one.
I am looking at getting like a really epic welder, which would make like I could do anything with it. I could do aluminum, brass, copper. I could do anything.
All right, gaming laptop versus gaming PC. What are the pros of a gaming laptop? Go. Just forget the market right now. Like, let's just think about like. I mean, we can mention at the end, but just in general, like, why would you pick a gaming laptop over a gaming PC?
You talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Oh. Why would you pick a laptop over PC?
Gaming laptop or gaming PC?
Well, you have everything in one. You have your screen. You usually have you have screen, keyboard, touchpad. Typically speakers. Typically a webcam. You literally have everything you could pretty much ever need for a general computer use.
Yep.
Ready to go, on the go. Now, obviously, what's that?
Cons.
Typically less bang for the buck.
Yeah.
Like you're spending more
Limited
on
upgradability.
Yeah, very limited upgradability. A lot of times, if you're into gaming, you're really not going to want to use that OEM keyboard or that you can't use the touchpad. So you still need to get a mouse. You still probably need a keyboard. Your monitor's small.
Yeah.
I mean, gaming on a 15.6 or 17.
not great.
Yeah. So I mean, realistically, you still need an external monitor. You still need external keyboard and mouse if you really want to be like a true gamer on a good laptop.
Gamer. If you go gaming PC, of course you get the upgradability. You get, well, just, the upgradability. You get more performance most of the time. You can pack in more performance in a gaming tower than you can a laptop in most cases. I mean, there are some really high-end laptops, but you're going to spend an extreme premium on those compared to a desktop.
And when once they're, I mean, like outdated,
then it's just it. That is what it is. I mean, you see some old Alienwares that probably cost like $4,000 back in the day that you can get for like under $1,000, and the specs are just like, that's weird. But you got that. Only downside of game PC, not as portable. I mean, if you really need portability, got the laptop. And then also just a caveat right now, the best value for money, sadly, are laptops, which is really weird, but they are. And you can actually buy them. That's a thing. I mean, you can technically build a gaming PC right now, but it's just not going to have a good graphics card in it without a lot of work or paying a shit ton of money. So that's basically pros and cons. I mean, chat, what do you use? Do you guys use laptops? Who uses desktop? Like, I know Cybershark's been using a laptop for a while, but I bet he would like a desktop.
I know, we wanted to hook him up with one, but, once again, exclamation point, what is internet? Why don't we do international shipping?
Yeah, exactly. Game laptops are less powerful for the money and heavy. It depends on, laptops got a lot thinner. Especially, I don't like they're still bulky gaming laptops, but like, I'm looking at one that we use right here just to look at Twitch chat. And it's not the most bulky thing in the world, but it is definitely bigger than just say like an Ultrabook or something.
Dude, this piece is so complicated. There's like moving parts on it, and I don't like it.
That'll be the last page.
Are you almost ready?
Yes.